Welcome to 2119 Beach Front Drive in beautiful Sevierville, Tennessee. A stunning, newly completed A-frame cabin that perfectly blends modern luxury with rustic charm. Nestled in the peaceful community of Sky Harbor, this home is just 10 minutes from both Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. This is an open-concept living, dining, and kitchen area where sky-high cathedral ceilings and a wall of glass bathe the space in natural light, framing the surrounding woods like a masterpiece. Tongue and groove walls give this home that timeless cabin feel, while the open loft area adds both space and sweeping views. With 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths on the main, there's ample room for family and guests. Downstairs is the ultimate entertainment level, featuring a state-of-the-art Foresight Golf simulator, games, a private home theater, additional sleeping space, a half bath, and another expansive wall of glass. Step out onto one of 2 spacious decks to soak in the sights and sounds of nature. Enjoy a cup of coffee at sunrise, or relax under the stars. Whether you're looking for a serene getaway or a high-income producing rental with projections of up to $100,000 a year, this home is the perfect investment and a true mountain gem. Schedule your showing today at 2119 Beachfront Drive, where luxury, nature, and recreation come together. Call Greg Korlin of Century 21 MVP direct at 865-643-2103.